Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to transfer Google Analytics to another account. So guys, the first thing that you actually need to do is go to analytics.google.com and you'll be greeted by a screen looking like this. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or guys, if you already don't have one, you can go and register to Google Analytics. Now, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, we can see that we have the home screen, the reports, we have the Explore, and the advertising. And also in the bottom left corner, we have the admin panel. But guys, in the top right corner, as you can see, we have everything about your account. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and transfer Google Analytics to another account. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So to transfer your Google Analytics account to another Google Analytics account, add a person with the edit and manage your user permissions to your Google Analytics account. So basically what you need to do is add another person who can then go and manage everything so that you can get the transfer and give that person permissions to go and change everything that they of course want. You can then remove your Google account from the Google Analytics account. So basically you put in another person and then kick yourself out to get that person the full permission. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.